How are you? Jesus loves us.
Sure.
Jesus liebt uns. Do you speak a second language?
Pardon me?
Do you speak a second language?
Yes, I do.
May I ask which one?
Korean.
Korean. Oh, I don't know how to say it, but Jesus loves us.
Yeah. Where are you coming from?
Calling? Oh, coming. Yes, my name is Earl. What is your name?
Good to see you.
Likewise.
Jonas.
Jonas, yes. I was born in Kitchener, Ontario.
Nice.
And I've lived a great chunk of my life close to Medellin, South America.
Okay, good.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Do you travel around?
Yes, I do.
Cool, man. That's awesome. Well, God bless you, brother.
Yeah. Have a good day, man.
Thank you. Thank you. Jesus loves us. Jesús nos ama. ¿Cómo están? How are ya? Okay. So, here we go. Thanks to the Lord for everything, bro. I'm telling you the truth. Who believes in me as I'm telling you the things, bro. The Lord Jesus loves us and His love is true. I'm never, ever gonna wanna let Him go. You hear me out what I'm saying to you? No doubt, it's the truth, bro. Hear me out.